Hi peeps, it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday and it's Cinco de Mayo. I hope you're all having a fabulous day. I wanted to talk to you about shorts. Before I forget, thank you so much for following me on YouTube. I finally got to 100 plus subscribers, so I can now send a personalized link that's basically YouTube/Closet Confidence, so I'm super excited about that. If you haven't checked out my website, it's closet-confidence.com. Thanks so much for checking it out. I love hearing all the feedback. So far, everyone loves it. I'm Elisa Ellis, wardrobe stylist and stylist with Stella & Dot, and I've been coming to you live Monday through Friday for the last couple of weeks, giving you tips and talking about fit and style and different ways to wear things. So today we're going to talk about shorts, because it's really warm. I went for a walk earlier today with my hubby, and it was, it's been super, super hot. So I'm wearing shorts. So everybody has a different comfort level with shorts. So we're gonna talk about inseam, because there's 3-inch, 4-inch, 5-inch, 7-inch. Some gals are comfortable showing off their legs. Some gals are not comfortable showing off their legs. I really don't care, because I love my legs. They carry my body. They allow me to walk, and I know a lot of people are uncomfortable. Hey Carla, hi Maribel. Okay, so these, and so I also wanted to talk about how yes, I need shorts. Okay, so these I got, here's the great thing. Everyone's still having sales. Nordstrom's having sales. Target's having sales. In fact, I tried to return something to Target yesterday, and they said, don't even bother sending it back. We'll give you a refund. Keep it. Recycle it, reuse it. J. Crew Factory. So I got these at J. Crew or J. Crew Factory for like 14 bucks. Okay, they're like this cute army green. They have pockets up here. They have pockets on the side. And so these are 3-inch inseam. So how do you tell the inseam? So you take a little handy dandy measuring tape, and this one happens to have inches on one side, and you take it from, my glasses are gonna fall off. Okay, so you take it from right here to the end. So these are 3-inch. And I think these are the perfect length for me. If I wanted to, I could fold them up. Okay, show off those legs, honey. You probably all have beautiful legs, and we all wanna see them, and I don't care that they're not tan, or that you have veins, or any of those things. Be grateful for your legs, and show them off. Okay, here's the other. These are 3-inch. I think these were 4-inch. These are 3-inch. If you wanted to make them longer, you could fold it over. These are Gap. I got these from Gap. I got them for less than 20 bucks. They are 4-inch, high-rise 4-inch stretch. So that's what you want. So I find things that have stretch in them, because we love stretch and we need stretch right now, because we all have our muffin tops. I am tucking this in right now, because if I don't, then I lose all my body shape. Okay, I lose it all. And because here's the other reason, there's like extra stuff right here. The pockets, extra stuff. You don't want to add, bulk. Okay, so tuck in your tops, adds balance. I was explaining to somebody the other day, the 1/3, 2/3. That's a whole nother topic. Okay, and then these are like 7 or 8 inseam. Can you see how much longer? They come almost down to my knees. Okay, so depending on the day, how hot it is, how not hot, how comfortable I'm feeling. So you wanna do, so there's 3-inch, which are much higher, 4-inch, some are 6-inch, 7-inch. These are Loft. Loft has great shorts on sale right now. Gap, Old Navy, J. Crew, Nordstrom's has some great ones. So check out all the sales and make sure that you look at how long, you think about how long you want them. But wear them, love your body, and be grateful for your legs to take you walking to wherever you're going, the beach, on an errand, and show them off. And I know you think everyone's looking at them. No one's looking at them. Okay, I hope this tip was helpful. Stay safe and healthy, and hopefully by the end of the week, we will be able to go out to more places. I can't wait. And I'll talk to you all later. Bye. Oh, let me know what you'd like to see in the future in the comments, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.